Blocking someone on Hulu can help you manage your viewing experience and maintain your privacy. Follow these steps to block someone effectively. Step 1. Open Hulu app or website. Launch the Hulu app on your device or visit the Hulu website on your browser. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Privacy Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Privacy Settings option. Click on it to access the features related to your account privacy. Step 4. Manage Blocked Users. Find the section for managing blocked users. Here, you can see any users you have previously blocked and the option to add new ones. Step 5. Block the user. Enter the username or email address of the person you want to block. Confirm the action to ensure they are blocked from accessing your account or viewing your activity. By following these steps, you can successfully block someone on Hulu and enjoy a more personalized viewing experience.